So
maumirira ma uthuthuria wa ica ikuhi uria utafanitio ni kambuni ya Infotrack ni mashorete mbica njeru ya kihitahitano kia president na kuonania mung'ethaniro muhiu uria ugutanywo matuko-ini maria makurumirira mwaka-ini. Kuringana na uthuthuria uyu, angikorwo githurano kinene no gitafanio umuthi, mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga angeikirio kura na gicunji kia 33 hari igana kia aikia a kura milioni 19.5 aria meyandikithitie mwaka wa 2017 kuringithania na munini wa president William Ruto uria uthuthuria wonanitie ati no gicunji kia 32 hari igana kingimuikiria kura.
If we compare what William Ruto's support was in December last year and what it is December this year, he has lost 10%. In the same breath, Raila has gained, especially since his formal announcement of his intention to be on the ballot as a presidential candidate.
Uthuthuria uyu ningi ni wonanitie ati eria ya nio ahuraniri aria mena uritu munene githurano-ini giukite, no ningi kwa ihinda riri gutiri umwe wao ungikinyia gicunji kia 50 hari igana kiria kirabatarania niguo mundu ahotane.
William Ruto and Raila neck to neck, and whoever gets the undecided vote and gets significant proportion of undecided votes to get to 50+1 will win the election.
Ripoti ino ningi yonanitie ati gicunji kia 21 hari igana kia aikia a kura matire maratu itua ria no magithura, no gitaro-ini gia gatagati ga bururi Ruto no athurwo ni gicunji kia 42 hari igana, Raila nake agithurwo ni gicunji gia 16 hari igana, ona gutuika gitaro-ini giki kuri na gicunji kia 26 hari igana kia aikia a kura aria matari maratu itua.
We see that there's been a lot of concentration, effort, attention being given to Wu Central. That now cannot surprise you when you see that the undecided vote in Central is 26%. Western has an undecided vote of 27%. That too is up for grabs. And the person who can then convince and flip that vote, it may very well be that that particular vote is flipped by who is picked as running mate.
Kiama kia UDA nikio kina urumiriri munene gikirugamira gicunji-ini kia 33 hari igana na ODM gicunji kia 32 hari igana. Icigo cia gatagati ga bururi, Rift Valley, Eastern na Nairobi nicio ciina urumiriri munene wa Ruto, guku nake Raila ari na icigo cia Western, Gicua-ini, Nyanza na Northeastern.
Elections is a game of numbers, and in numbers you look at demographics and which demographics will give you a win, and those demographics are normally by region, so you look at your numbers by region, where are you strong and where are you weak.
Gicunji kia 52 hari igana kia a Kenya kiendekithitie ati ngwataniro ya One Kenya Alliance Fujo nenyitane na mwena wa Ruto kana wa Raila, na hari acio gicunji kia 55 hari igana kirendekithia ati Oka ifatie ni kunyitana na Raila.
46% mention Musalia Mudavadi as the preferred running mate for either of the candidates if Oka was to dissolve and then have the running mate position.
Andu 1,600 nio marakuruhanirio uthuthuria-ini uyu uria watabanirio gatagati ga tariki 17 na 22 mweri-ini uyu wa Dithemba.
Kweli ama si kweli?
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.